This is a brand new, beautifully decorated, pet-friendly, bright and spacious townhouse with a 2-car garage, pool table, fireplace, high ceilings, and directly across the street from the beach. Just bring your clothes and toiletries, because linens, towels, HBO, Showtime, and Wi-Fi are included. This house is perfect for a family, couples traveling together, or multifamily reunions. It's designed with several flex spaces, so the extra rooms can actually be functional areas of enjoyment for a smaller group, and for larger groups, up to 5 bedrooms. This home has a peaceful, airy feel, as it has wooded areas on 2 sides and very few neighbors. It's on a huge lot with a quiet street in back, perfect for children or walking dogs. The top floor has a large open plan, vaulted ceilings, the kitchen, living room, dining room, 2 separate sitting areas, and a flex area with a 5th bedroom. The focal point is the mesmerizing ocean views that are framed with floor-to-ceiling windows and doors. Directly outside, there's a wraparound balcony with barstools to relax while listening to the waves and feeling the breezes. The second level has 3 generously sized bedrooms, all with ensuite marble bathrooms, tubs, and walk-in closets. A laundry area with high-efficiency washer and dryer is also on this level. The first level is made up entirely of the 4th bedroom and game room. This bright space has a pool table, dartboard, flat-screen TV, full baths, and walk-in closet. When visiting, the kids will all want to sleep together in here. There's outside access through double glass doors to a patio area.